welcome back to the 101 Library. Today, we're diving into Trello, a powerful tool for managing tasks and projects. We'll show you how to get started with Trello and walk you through an example of managing content creation workflow. This example will include creating a new board, setting up lists, adding cards, assigning members, and setting due dates. So, let's get started. Trello is a visual collaboration tool that allows you to organize your projects into boards. In each board, you can create lists and add cards to track tasks and progress. It's perfect for both personal and professional projects. To get started with Trello, head to Trello.com and create a free account. Once an account is created, you will be logged into this screen. Here, you will see all your projects and you can create a new project. Let's look at an example to see how it works. We will create a Trello board to manage a content creation workflow for a blog. To get started, click on Create New Board, then give your board a title name, choose a picture or a color for your board, and then choose the visibility of your board. Here you have three options. You could make it public, workspace, or private. I'll choose private for this project. Then I'll click on create. This will create my board. Now let's set up our lists. Lists help you organize tasks into different stages. For this content creation workflow, I'll create 4 lists: ideas, in progress, editing, and published. After all my lists are created, I'll add some cards that represent individual tasks. In the ideas list, click on Add Card, then enter the title of this card. Click on Add Card. This will add your first card. You can add as many cards as you have ideas. Each card can be moved across lists as the task progresses. To move a card, just click and drag the card. I'll move this back to ideas. Let's add some details to this idea. Double click on the card and this will open your card. Here you can add a few details to the card. For instance, you could add a description for what this card represents. You could also assign different members to your card. You could also add labels for different categories. To do so, click on Labels. Here you'll have all your available labels. To create a label, click on this pen and name your label. Click on Save. This will create your label. To assign the label to this card, click on the check mark over here. You could also add a checklist for your card. Click on Checklist. I'll name it Tasks. Click on Add. And this will add my checklist. You could add different items to the checklist. Once your tasks are created, you click and check the tasks that are completed. You can see that your task progress will be monitored over here. You could also add a due date to the card. And this will add a due date. You can also choose to add an attachment, a cover, or any other custom fields. Once all your card details are finalized, close this card. Now, as you work on your tasks, you can move the card across your list. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage your tasks with Trello. Trello can help you stay on track and collaborate with ease. Just explore the different features available in Trello. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to check other videos under our channel for more productivity tools. Thank you.